Hi guys, welcome in my YouTube channel Practical Civil Engineers. Viewers, today with a new video lecture, I am going to start a new tutorial, and in this tutorial I will make so many videos of this tutorial because this is a mega project. In the picture you are watching that this is a mega project, and I am personally supervising this project, so I will keep you update each and everything which I can do, which I can observe during my site inspection, during my site supervision. So this is my project, and this is the first video tutorial of this mega project. So this is a mega project. This is a 3-story mega project institutional building, and this institutional building include the cafeteria, include the classrooms, include the auditorium, include the workshops, and include the administrative block. And it also include the developmental works like water supply, like internal external roads, internal external electrifications, and so many other water supply tube well and overhead water tank. So I will explain each and everything uh, which I can see in the site, which I observed during my inspection, during my execution. So keep watching my video for your information. You will learn a lot of from my this tutorial. So this is a major and important tutorial for all of you. So let's we start our today's topic. Our today's topic is specially on excavation. So excavation of this mega project. So how we can excavate the earth and how much we can excavate. So as per design, the total depth of the excavation is 5 feet and 3 inches. So from the ground level, the total depth of the excavation is 5 feet and 3 inches. So we can excavate the total ground which has been demarcated for this particular project. So we will excavate the total length of the project, the total width, and the total depth of the project. So we will excavate. So the excavation of this project, you are watching in the drawings that the total depth of this excavation is 5 feet and 3 inches. So in the drawings, we stabilize the natural surface, the natural subgrade soil. So we provide a stone soiling having a thickness of 24 inches, and after that we provide a 3-inch thick PCC layer, and after that we will do the raft footing. We will execute the mat footing having a total thickness of this mat footing is 21 inches. So this is the general items which will be executed in future in this mega project. You must have the knowledge of excavation and how to excavate, how to check the quantity of the excavation, how to check the quality of excavation. So you must need to follow your specification, because the specification is very important and the drawing is very important. If in the drawing there is 6 feet excavation, so you must do the 6 feet excavation. If there is 5 feet excavation in the drawings, so you must be kept this in your mind that the excavation for this project must be 5 feet, not less than and not more than 5 feet. So if there are some loose material in the excavation and the bed of the excavation, so you must bring this in the knowledge of the engineer in charge of the project. So in the excavation for this particular project, we start the excavation at the site, and I will show you a video of this excavation, that how we are excavating the earth for this particular project. So this is the video. An excavator is excavate the earth, and then he fill a truck from the soil, because this material is not suitable for backfilling. So we will use some other material for backfilling. A person is standing here to check the depth of the excavation, that either we achieve the depth of the excavation or not. So the classification of excavation, so there are many types of soil and different geographical locations, because in a hilly area there will be hard rocks, a hard strata, and the excavation of that type of soil is not possible with the normal using of with the normal application of cusses, shovels, etc., manual shovels, etc. So therefore we use a strander machinery for cutting the hard rocks, and then we can excavate the earth. In a soft soil or in ordinary soil, in a rural area, in our plain terrains, so we can use normal like cussi, like shovels, manual shovels, or like excavator for a rapid construction work. So for excavation, so this type of soil is excavation. I will show you a picture that a soil for this particular project is simple soil, having no quantity of hard rocks, having no quantity of larger boulders. So we can use a simple method for the excavation, which is we using the excavator, which excavate the earth for the construction of this particular building. So one thing is very important, that the measurement of the excavation must be in cubic feet and in cubic meter, etc., because we take the length of the excavation, take the breadth of the excavation, and take the depth of the excavation. So we will multiply all these three measurements, so this will give us a value in cubic meter or cubic feet. So in a video I will show you that how we are excavating the earth for this particular project. So you can watch this video for your information. So the excavator is excavating the earth, and then he filled the truck for disposing up outside the soil, because this is not common material which can be used in its backfilling. So we will use some other material for the backfilling purpose. This is our project site. This is the length of the total project, and here I will show you the auditorium block and the classrooms, workshop. So this in the video you are seeing that these are the internal corridors and classrooms of the project. In the last of this video, I am going to share a very important checklist which is specifically used for the purpose of excavation, and an engineer can use this checklist specially for inspecting the depth of excavation, especially inspecting the quality of work. So this checklist include the following points, which must be in your mind during the site inspection, during your site visit. So this is very important, so keep this in your mind, or keep this checklist in your written and you write down in your diary for using these points during your site visits. So the first point is, are there any underground utilities like sewer line, like water supply line, like a pipeline, etc., and cable etc. So if the cable is available under the excavation, or some utility like sewer line or water supply line available under the excavated area, so you must be bring in the knowledge of the engineer in charge. If he allow you to excavate and replace these pipe, replace these cables, so then you can proceed further. So I will show you some pictures which I observed during the excavation of this particular project. So the first picture I will show you, in the first picture, that a person is here, is repairing. A person is busy to repair the cutted cable of landline. I will show you a next picture of the water supply line which has been damaged during the excavation. So then we explore the pipe, the water supply line, and we remove all the old pipes and replace these pipe. As you see in the picture, that we replace these pipe, replace these HDPE pipe, and some galvanized iron pipes. So, and we also divert the flow of water from our project. So these are the points which must be in your knowledge. The second point which is important, check whether the excavated pit or adequate showered or timber or not. So if the depth of the excavation is more than 5 to 6 feet, more than 6 to 7 feet, so it also depend the quality, it also depend the texture of the soil. If the soil is loose material and non-cohesive, so you must be shored or timbered the side edges of your excavation, so to avoid any sliding. The third important point is, are the excavated area provided with fences or cordon off? So I will show you a picture that after excavating, after completing the excavation of this particular project, we showered all the excavated area, because we does not allow any unauthorized person to this project, and a labor is also not allowed to cross these cordon off area. So we provide one entrance and one exit point for every person who is visitor or who is working inside the project. So the fourth point is, are the excavated material kept from the edge of the pit trench by at least 1 meter? So this is very important for every engineer, that the excavated material must be kept away at least 1 meter from the edge of the excavation. So this is very important. So the fifth point is, are the heavy equipment, machinery like bulldozer, like excavator, like crane, etc., or a truck mixer, so you must be kept these machinery away at least 6 meters away from the edge of your excavation. So this must be also in your mind. The sixth point is also very important, or danger sign provided near the excavated area a signboard or install a signboard that the site is under construction and no unauthorized person is allowed to enter the site. The 7th point is means of access and exit. As I told you that one will be the exit point and one will be the entrance point. The 8th point is check sitting out. Sitting out is the most important factor before constructing or before erecting your columns, your beams. So you must align all the columns in a single grade. The 10th point is the loose material. Check for loose material. If there is available a loose material, so you must be bring this in the knowledge of the engineer in charge. So the 11th point is check bottom of excavation, indicate proposed ground level. This is the important point, that check the road level and then check the excavation, the bed level. So you must be ensure that your plinth level must be above from the road level and inward level of the outside main drain, main sewer line, to easily dispose of your sewerage line, your storm water. So this 11 points to check out your excavation, to check out your quality of work during your site visit. So then you can sign and note down your remarks that the quality of work is good or bad. So you can check your quality of work by executing, by ensuring all these 11 points during the excavation of your particular site. I will complete this tutorial, this project in different videos, and you will see me inside as well as in this office, and I will share my personal knowledge, my personal experience with you people. If you have not subscribed the channel, so kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.